Good afternoon, Bayo, Igoh of Igoh Coaching, and what am I going to talk about today? It's my 5 times E. Well, E for me stands for a number of things, 5 specific things that you as a business owner would want to take part in. Firstly, it's about engaging. Who are you engaging with your business? Difficult times we know, but if you're not engaging, if you're not out there networking, if you're not out there building teams, collaborations or partnerships, you're going to find it very hard to educate. That's the second E, to educate yourself and your potential client base about what it is you do and how you do it. If you engage, you can then talk about the things that are working and talk about the things that are not working and package them up in order to educate people in a different way through your marketing, through your networking, and obviously through your product production. Because with doing those, you're then enabled to overcome the problems that you've endured or the problems that you might foresee. As a coach, we'll work together to try and identify things and put a plan together which will empower you to overcome these obstacles. As I say, prior planning prevents poor performance, but really it's about how you've engaged, educated and enabled yourself to be empowered. And once you do those things, it sounds difficult, but I swear it's not, you will excel. Excel in terms of the goals you'd set yourself, how you're about doing them, the timescales you've given. So remember my 5 E's. Enable, engage, educate, empower to excel. If you want to know more, speak to me, Bayo Igoh, Igoh Coaching.